Hello everyone, my name is Chloe, come from FPT Software. Today I will present and demonstrate a full flow of DevOps in software delivery. During software development, there are some common issues that project team met. First, no clear workflow among team members, PM, team leader, and members. Second, often having issues related to build or compile source code. Third, code quality cannot be guaranteed because it does not scan frequently. Fourth, manual deployment leads to inconsistent environments that cause issues when deploying application. Finally, low deployment frequency makes low-frequency feature testing, so bugs aren't found early. Time for fix bugs is tense, leads to delay release application. Because of the above issues, the project is phase 2. First, standardizing the software development process. Second, ensuring source code quality, bugs can be found early to have enough time to fix. Third, increase deployment frequency to reduce delayed product release time. To overcome the above problems, we propose to standardize the DevOps in software delivery, including two parts. First, one is to apply the Agile management process, clarify the roles of the members and the steps of software production. Second, applying CICD to alter continuous integration and continuous deployment source code. Below are the solution details. This is the development model according to Agile. Team members' roles should be defined to facilitate work management. Complete a 12-step software development cycle from planning to completion. Each stage of development are supported by the respective tool, such as Jira is used for managing tasks. Git is used for managing source code. Jenkins for automated integration and deployment. Sonar is used to check the quality of source code. Maven and Spring are a framework to build source code. Tomcat is a service for deploy. Nessus repository, artifact management repository, using Jira tool to manage tasks, helps the manager grasp details of the progress of projects and tasks. Below is a model that describes the status and workflow from the beginning to the end of a task. After planning, the developer is assigned the task on Jira. They proceed to switch the task status from open to in progress and perform coding. After completion, it will switch to review status. If it is passed, then the task will be changed to close to mark it as completed. Using GitLab to store source code, besides the main branches like master and develop, GitLab will support splitting main branches into many other branches to help each developer can work in his branch. Then code synthesis becomes easier. To solve the conflict problem when merging code into the main branch, we recommend using a branch on Git as follows. The two main branches include master and develop. Master is the branch containing the most stable source code. It is for deployment to the production environment. Develop, the branch that develops features where developers work together. Source code on this branch will be pushed to the develop environment. The sub-branches include release, a branch that is separated from develop branch. This is used to test on a staging environment. After the tester completes the task, if the result is passed, then the release branch will be merged into the master branch. Feature is a branch that is separated from a develop branch, allowing each developer to perform coding. After completing the coding, developers will have to rebase to get the latest source code to their branch before merging into the develop branch. This helps to resolve the conflict problem when merging the code into the main branch and ensures the source code does not lag. The model describes how the CI process takes place. First, as a developer, starting from when developers proceeded to accept tasks on Jira. Then the developer creates a feature branch on GitLab. When the feature branch is created, Jenkins will automatically create the Jenkins pipeline. The developer proceeds coding and commits code to GitLab. Jenkins automatically triggers the Jenkins pipeline. Then Jenkins will check out, build, and scan the source code. If the pipeline runs successfully, the developer accesses Sonar to check the quality of the source code. If the code quality shows fail, the developer will need to fix the code and commit again until pass. If the Jenkins pipeline runs fails, the developer will need to configure source code and repeat the steps above. When the code reaches quality, the developer creates a merge request, then asking the tech leader to review a task and accepts to merge the code from the feature branch into the develop branch. As for the role of tech leader starts reviewing on source code. If it's not okay, then developer will need to fix the code. If the code quality is good and ensures functional, the tech leader will approve for merging into the develop branch. Starting to move to the CD stage, the developer will conduct the merge code. The following is a video that demonstrates CI during a feature's development. The developer is tasked to update title of application. Firstly, he must pick a task in Jira and switch status to in progress. The developer creates a feature branch from the develop branch after the feature branch is created on Git. At the same time, Jenkins will automatically create a Jenkins pipeline to be ready to run the CI when the code is committed. The developer starts editing code to update the title when clicks commit code when finished coding. The Jenkins pipeline is triggered to run CI. Code in the feature branch will be checked out, built, and scanned. When Jenkins shows running success, developer will check code quality in Sonar. In this demo, the source code is clean and have no bug. Code quality is eligible to be merged into the develop branch. The developer proceeds to create a merge request by entering the account of the tech leader. The tech leader conducts a review of the code and approves for the developer to merge that code into the develop branch. This model describes the process of CD deploying source code to environments quickly and accurately. There will be a different deployment model for each environment. We will have 3 basic environments, including develop, staging, and production. Develop environment. This is the environment for developers to deploy source code. After complete coding, the tester will perform a performance test before pushing it into the higher environment. When developers press merge to merge code from the feature branch into the develop branch, the Jenkins pipeline is automatically triggered to run and deploy the dev environment. If the deploying process fails, the developer actively fixes the error. After deploying completed, the tester will test this environment and send a report to PO. If false, the developer will need to fix bugs in the source code, then the tester will test again. For the staging environment, this is the simulation environment of the production environment. PO will be the person who will take the source code from the develop branch to merge into the release branch, then perform deployment into the staging environment. After deploying is complete, the tester will continue to test before pushing the source code to the production environment. The test report will also be sent to PO. If failed, the developer will need to fix bugs. Then the tester will test again until the functions are okay. Production environment. After completing the task in staging environment, PO performs merge release into the master branch and creates tag version on Git. The Jenkins pipeline will choose the version for deploying to production environments. If deploy fails, PO will roll back to the previous version and ask the developer to fix the current version before continuing to deploy. Firstly, we will deploy a feature branch into develop environment for developer and tester to execute testing. Developer implements merging code. After click to merge, this will trigger Jenkins pipelines run CD. Jenkins starts to check out source code, build and package, then pushes into develop environment. After run successfully, the title Hello World example is updated in UI of the application. Deploy to staging environment. The product owner chooses a release branch that will be deployed into the staging environment. The Jenkins pipeline will be triggered and run to check out, build, package, then push to staging. After running, the title has been updated as shown on the screen. Deploy to production environment. Product owner creates tag version in Git to select the correct code which he wants to deploy. At Jenkins, choose tag version 1.1.6. Then the pipeline is finished. The application title is updated as shown on the screen. So I have completed presenting the DevOps workflow and demoed it. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or need further advice, please email us